Pony, it's Cleo here, and today I have a beautiful pony to show you. It's Princess Twilight Sparkle. But this isn't just any Twilight, this one has a special pearly finish. She's part of the My Little Pony Explore Equestria line, and on the back of the box is a picture of her from the cartoon. So let's get Her Royal Highness out of the box bubble thing. Here she is out of the packaging, and look at how gorgeous she is. As I said earlier, Twilight doesn't have the usual solid body colour, but instead has a lovely pearly and slightly translucent finish with silver glitter in it. She has a heart-shaped zap code on her hoof, and her mane is in its usual hot pink and royal purple. And it's a little frizzy on the end. She also comes with a pink comb. Her eyes are unchanged from their usual violet colour, and her cutie mark is the same pink star with 5 little white ones around it, the middle one representing Twilight herself, and the other 5 representing her friends. Here she is next to my regular Princess Twilight for comparison. As you can see, the colour of her body looks very different, but other than that, she's mostly unchanged. And now this Twilight can join the herd of Twilight Sparkles I'm accidentally making. I remember when I was the only one. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Also, if you want to see previews, behind the scenes and photography like this, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Google+, Facebook and Tumblr. Thanks for watching.